Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Sims mods not showing up in the game and mods not working. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first of all, your mods might have been disabled if you have done an update, for example. So to enable mods, you want to launch your game, then press escape and go to menu and then game options. On game options, you want to click on other, and on other, as you can see, there is enable custom content and mods. So you want to make sure that it is checked marked. If it is not, then you want to click on it just like so, and then apply the changes and close your game. And it should have been fixed. If not, just relaunch your game one more time. Now, once you've done that, you want to go to your mods folder. So you want to open up your documents right there, Electronic Arts, Sims 4, and then you will see your mods, and here you will see all of your mods you have. So you want to check if all of your mods are up to date. So go ahead where you are buying those mods and check with your folder. And the last thing you can do is go to your settings, security, and you can just write down virus and threat protection on your search bar and click on it. After that, you will be redirected to this page where you want to go ahead and scroll down until you will see virus and threat protection settings and click manage settings. After that, you want to scroll down until you will see at the bottom exclusions, add or remove exclusions. Go ahead, click on that and add an exclusion. So you want to add mods folder here. So add an exclusion, folder type, Electronic Arts, Sims 4 and mods, and select the folder. And just like that, you are adding the exclusion for virus and threat protection. So that's pretty much it, guys. That should have fixed your mods problem for not showing up. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.